Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Ruijie for the award, Jeremy, Jack, and Kai, Abfattah, the whole Ruijie team. And special thanks to Ashraf for the nice words about Mantrac Distribution. The real award I got today is two of my partners get awarded today. This is the real award I get as Mantrac Distribution. But before I give you my speech, I'd like to invite Khalid Talat, Mayada Abdelghani, our team in Ruijie, to receive the award. In fact, this is their award. I think with that we can talk about how to achieve success in the first place. I believe that, in my point of view, that success has three pillars. One pillar is the partner ecosystem. Second pillar is the product. Third pillar is the customer satisfaction. When we talk about first pillar, which is partner ecosystem, we at Mantrac Distribution, we have 25 years of experience in the Egyptian market. We have gathered a group of partners for Ruijie to partner with Ruijie. We have trained them because you have a healthy partner ecosystem. Training, encourage them to have the e-learning on the Ruijie portal, have the demo units, the SOE, for example, lab in our premises for the customer to have POCs and touch and feel and get first close to the all Ruijie solutions and products. We encourage all partners to do POCs for the end customers to have the trust in Ruijie products. The second pillar is the product itself. We see in Jeremy's presentation that Ruijie has already 7 R&D centers and they are having the 8th one this year. When end customers see that Ruijie has investing in R&D, this gives a trust and credibility to the product. When the partner itself and the product gives the right solution and the right product to the end customer, we get a satisfying end customer. And those three pillars refueling each other. So when a satisfying customer talk to other customers about Ruijie performance and credibility, we get more partners and more partners get into the market and so forth. And also Ruijie has a good thing that they listen to customer feedback. So they've all, for example, Kai and Jack, they always on us on the phone or physically to address customer needs. This is how we build success. Yes, we have succeeded in major areas in Egypt, like in education, in armed forces, and in financial segment, education, and the manufacturing facility. But I believe that focusing on those three pillars is more important and more driving success than a success story itself. And I know that this is the end of the day. I would like to thank everyone, and I hope I didn't take too much time. Thank you all, and thank you, Ruijie.